Okay, today we are going to be looking at the features of a newspaper report. So one of our first features is headline. A newspaper needs a main headline, which is its main big title at the top, to tell you what the newspaper is about. Our second feature is columns. And unlike other pieces of writing, a newspaper usually has 2 or 3 columns that are parallel to each other. Instead of writing all the way across the page, it's split up. So you read from top to bottom. When you get to the bottom, you go then up to the next column. The next feature is quotes that have quotation marks. Because a newspaper is a non-fiction piece of writing, it means it's factual, and usually they get the information from people and they interview people and they write quotes from what they've said. So quotes with quotation marks around them is a feature of a newspaper. Next feature is that the first paragraph has the 5 W's, which makes it a bit easier to remember. So it has who, who's the story about, who's the newspaper report about, what happened, where it happened, when it happened, and then sometimes it will say why or how it happened. So that's what the first introductory paragraph is in a newspaper. Next feature is that a newspaper is always in past tense because it is talking about something that has already happened. Next feature is formal language. So unlike when you're writing a diary that's quite chatty, in a newspaper report you need to include formal language. Next feature, a newspaper usually has a mix of passive and active voice, so saying that something was done by someone. The moon was landed on by man, or man landed on the moon. So either or, so using a mix of passive and active voice. And then the final feature is parenthesis. So any form of using maybe brackets to include extra information or using commas to add in a relative clause. Use this toolkit now to find features of the newspaper report that I have given you. Good luck!